If you shut off the engine and leave it just to wind down with the throttle open, Bob Collins told me that it causes a thing called cylinder wash. In other words, all the gasoline that's coming out of the carburetor is going on the walls of the cylinder and washing the oil off, and you're scouring out the walls of the cylinder. Scores the cylinder walls, makes your engine last a lot shorter. So, shut the throttle off, let it get down to idle, then shut the engine off, and if you leave it in gear, you can just pop the clutch and stall the engine right there. It won't turn over but a couple of strokes after you shut the key off.